Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn on or turn off animated cover art in Apple Music. Okay, first things first, in your settings, scroll down until you find music. Tap on it to access the music specific settings. Within the music settings, you'll notice an option called Animated Art. This feature applies to playlists, albums, artist pages, and the artwork that appears while you are playing a song. In here, you have two choices. Wi-Fi only. If you select Wi-Fi only, animated cover art will only be displayed when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. This is a great option if you are concerned about mobile data usage. Second one is the off. Choosing off will disable animated cover art entirely. If you prefer a more traditional look and don't want animated artwork, this option is for you. However, to automatically turn it on, and the automatic answer for all of it or the option is the turn on. If you don't want to turn off your animated cover art, just choose Wi-Fi only or turn on option. And as simple as it is, you will be able to turn on or to turn off your animated cover art in Apple Music. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make. So, we can help you. And that's it. You can now turn on or turn off animated cover art in Apple Music. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.